how could I forget about this right here? This, all day, every day, just like firm your skin. Are you kidding me? This uplift roller, I think, is a miracle. If you need any drainage in your skin, meaning if you wake up puffy and you need things to be tighter, brighter, just circulation will do so much for you. I cannot emphasize that enough. You know, part of looking great after going and getting a facial is a lot of the massage technique that they do while you're getting the facial, and it's just kind of getting everything moving. It's getting that blood flow going, and this will mimic that, and you can use it anywhere. You can use it on the neck. I mean, I'll even on my arms. Just like, it feels good, it gets things moving, and I see a difference. It helps your products to absorb better. I'm just gonna take like a time out and do this for a minute. You only have to buy this once too. So you guys know I'm a Nurse Jamie fan, big time. I also love the EGF serum. I rave about that all the time. It has epidermal growth factors in it, and I cannot get enough. It's one of my beauty secrets. I'm obsessed. I always use it, and I use this guy right here every single day.